The invisible seam is that kind of seam you cannot see from both the exterior and the interior of the garment. We do the tucking so the fabric doesn't move, and we get ready to sew from the interior. We fold the edge out this way, and we introduce the needle first on the upper part, and then on the lower one, taking only one thread, the thinner as possible, because otherwise we are going to see it from the exterior. Here it is. They have to be this thin. It's a delicate process, and we have to sew carefully, without tugs or tighten the thread too much, because the fabric can break. The result is a kind of zigzag that joins the two parts. Do you see it? We take one thread on the upper side and other one from the lower, joining the two sides. We finish the seam off always on the upper side, putting the needle into the thread, this way. And one more time. We remove the tucking, check the seam is well done, and that we cannot see any stitch from the exterior. And here is our invisible seam.